you?
Good morning. My name is Regina Grace Casas. I have a reservation for a single room for 3 nights.
Alright, Miss Casas. Let me pull up your reservation. I can't seem to find the record of your booking. Did you book the reservation through us, or did you use the reservation hotel or travel agent?
I booked it directly through you. I've already also paid the deposit for the first night. I have a reservation number, if that helps.
Yeah, sure. Can I see that, please? Thank you. Oh, I see. Maybe there was a glitch with the booking system. Well, we don't have any more single rooms available, with the exception of the adjoining room. But you will then be right next door to a family with the children, which might get noisy. But that's not a problem. I can upgrade you to the one of our business suites. They all come with jacuzzi.
Oh, that sounds nice. And how much more is that going to cost?
That would of course be at no extra charge to you.
Oh, thank you. What about the wireless internet?
Oh, it's really easy. This is your access code and instructions on how to use it. If you have any problems, feel free to call the front desk. And this is all the list of all the hotel amenities like the gym and the indoor pool.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Has the valet already taken your car, or will you be needing a parking pass?
Oh, I don't have a car. I took a taxi from airport.
Alright, could I have some form of ID, please? And could you just fill out this reg form?
Sure. Here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Oh, you're from San Francisco.
Yes, I am. All the way from the West Coast.
I hope you had a good trip.
Yes, I did. Thank you. The flight was long, but it was smooth and it left almost smooth way.
And is this your first time in the Big Apple?
Yes, it is. I have a business conference to attend, but I'm looking forward to get some sightseeing done as well.
Well, I'd be more than happy to give you some sightseeing tips if you need any. Alright, I've got you all checked in to your room. This is your room key. You're in room 443. Just take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Just leave your suitcase here and the bellboy will bring it up.